returns.
Let me see your phone.
Kids who don't eat breakfast may not be getting the nutrition they need to keep their bodies strong. Carnation Instant supplies the nutrients of a balanced breakfast to help build strong muscles and healthy bones. Carnation Instant Breakfast Essentials. Good nutrition from the start.
This box is what I need to control my diabetes, to stay healthy, and get on with my life. Liberty Medical. And now, it's not only where I get my diabetes testing supplies, but it's where I get my prescription drugs as well. See, if you're on Medicaid, you'll look at your diabetes testing supplies, as well as your prescription drugs, may be covered. It takes care of all the paperwork you take care, and sends the prescription cards directly to your doctor for review. Then on your schedule, packs up this box and sends it right to your door. No charge for shipping. The Liberty Medical is everything you need to manage your diabetes, including most preventative meters. Call now and receive a free book, plus a free cookbook. They can help you live a better life.
Call 1-800-548-82. 1-800-548-82.
You have got to be kidding me. 80 calories? It has 80 calories versus 100 with other eating brands. Light and Fit. You're telling me. And that's Light and Fit. This is Northern Ultra Plush, the only 3-layer bath tissue with plush quilt. It has 2 layers for softness and an inner layer for a luxurious experience you can ease and feel. In fact, it may inspire you to make all the things you touch Ultra Plush. This is Northern Ultra Plush. Nothing you can see and feel. And if you're not delighted, we'll give you your money back.
Hey, any resolution? My resolution is the same as always. Keep her full and focused with my 5
To give your kid Kellogg's Frosted an excellent 100%
She's not, the big dog's not putting her teeth on her though, so I think she might be like teaching her. The little one's biting the big one, but the big one's not teaching her with the teeth.
Okay, stop.
Then we've got your healthcare career.
That's enough. Get up here. Bella, get up here.
9 months?
Get up here.
I love a healthcare career. Did you
Good
say 9
girl.
months? Concord offers
Hey,
training
girl.
in many of the most sought-after careers for healthcare professionals today. You can
Uh-uh.
have the
Stay
career
there.
of your dreams in 9
Stay there.
months. Pick up the phone and call. Your 9 months starts right now. Call 888-701-9292. That's 888-701-9292.
Your AT&T high-speed internet here, at home, and on the go with some really big news.